If you're like me, you work with both photo and video, and that makes sense. After all, the two skills are slowly becoming more and more intertwined in the freelance market these days. So what do you do if you found yourself in the position where you've done some amazing editing work in Lightroom and you want to have that same editing preset available for your video work? Yo, deadass, you just watched this video, fam. And I could say that because I'm from New York. Today we're going to talk about converting a Lightroom preset into a LUT for your videos. If you don't know what a LUT is, it's pretty simple. LUT stands for lookup table, and it's a set of data that applies a specific color profile to an image. Many editors use LUTs to achieve the look of certain films, or even quickly grade their footage. Alright, first things first, we're going to go into Lightroom and find or make the preset that we want to work with. This is on you, so don't worry, I'll wait for you. So yeah. Okay, cool. I'm gonna use the preset I made for my Brandon Wolfel video. Sweet woes, back at it again, baby. Alright, next we're gonna go on to the interwebs and download this awesome program, LUT Generator. Not sponsored. Now this is a pay what you want situation, so you can support the devs or you could pay nothing. I'm not judging your actions. You're gonna open up the LUT generator with the exe file on PC or DMG on Mac, no install required. Now you're gonna click generate HALD. HALD? H-A-L-D? I don't know. I just threw mine onto the desktop, no biggie. We're gonna bring that HALD file into Lightroom and apply our Lightroom preset onto the image. Then we're just gonna re-export it. The LUT generator uses JPEGs or PNGs, so be sure your export settings are correct. Now, click Generate LUT and load in the edited HALD file. It'll take a second and then it'll spit out a cool little 3D LUT file. Now we can hop into the color panel within Premiere, browse for our preset, and apply it to the video clips. Super cool. Now keep in mind with most presets you'll have to do some tweaking, make sure that the basic stuff like exposure and white balance are good, and in most cases I rarely keep the intensity at 100%. But yeah, after a few small tweaks you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye! But yeah, after a few small tweaks, after a whoa! Hello, hey, hi.